joining with everyone else in mourning the loss of Chooch. When I heard Eddie talking about it on his Instagram, I couldn't believe what I was hearing. I really couldn't, because it seemed like for so long there had been people out there making up rumors in the past and things. You guys remember the stories. It was ridiculous. But when I saw it yesterday, I was saying to myself, this has to be AI. This cannot possibly be for real. But in seeing the outpour of love and support, looks like it is real. That Chooch is gone. And I was one of the many followers. What was inspiring to me too is how Chooch welcomed in Cece when they brought Cece home from, I believe it was the islands, from Puerto Rico. That dog was beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Just wish I could have met him in person.